War Journal of Captain Gabriel Angelos. The situation on the planet Tartarus is grim. While the Blood Ravens crushed the main Orc offensive at the spaceport, the bulk of their force is not engaged. They gather in the wilderness, awaiting a critical mass of bodies that will overwhelm the Imperial forces in a green wave of death and destruction. The Blood Ravens will not allow this to occur. Orbital monitoring has detected an area in the southern forests where the Orcs appear to be massing. Orcs only respect strength, so they will look to the largest of their groups to lead them. We will insert a small, covert strike force to eliminate these Orc leaders and destroy any encampments where the Orcs might mass. This should cut to the heart of the Orcs' fighting spirit and delay their inevitable counterattack. We must tread lightly, lest we disturb this slumbering beast. You have your orders. Now go, and may the Emperor protect you.
I do not care for all this sneaking about.
I know, old friend. You always have preferred the direct approach.
We have the Imperial Guard. Why not send them into battle instead of treating them like glorified shepherds? If we meet the Orcs in force, they cannot possibly stand before us.
We have fought the Orc 100 times before. They thrive on war. A direct assault on them would likely improve their morale and simply attract more of them. The casualties would be enormous.
What are the Imperial Guard for if not to die for their Emperor? At the very least, we should retain a regiment to remain at our core. We have little support this far out. We would not want to be remembered for our carelessness.
We, old friend, or me?
We are brothers, Gabriel. You know better than to ask that question. I know what this is about. There was nothing you could have done to save Cyrene.
Do not mention that place again, Isidore. Cyrene was my homeworld. My responsibility. Scout Team 3, do you copy?
Yes, my lord.
The local Imperial waterworks has fallen into Orc hands. If we are to reclaim this area, we must first retake this position. Scouts have infiltrated ahead of you and will assist you in your reconnaissance. If things prove to be more than you can handle, reinforcements will be mobilized to assist.
Getting into position. This area is crawling with Orcs. We should infiltrate a sneak past them. Do not get too close, or we may be spotted.
Excellent. Your Scout Marine squad is now invisible to all enemies except for commanders.
Yes, my lord.
Keep in mind, though, if you are
Scouts
attacked,
advance.
your invisibility will be broken, and some
Yes, my
time will
lord.
pass before you can utilize it again.
Scouts advance. Gathering intelligence. Commencing infiltration. Search commencing. Getting into position. Getting into position. Search commencing. I sense danger. We will root it out. Scouts here. Scouts ready. I sense danger. We will root it
The
out.
wretched Xenos
At
are
your
guarding a
command.
strategic point. Scout Team
Lining
2
up
is
our
upgraded
targets.
with sniper rifles. They will make short work of these Orcs.
Lining up our targets.
Taking heavy fire!
Yes, my lord. The enemy is in our sights. Area secured. Scouts here. Yes, my lord. Strategic point identified. Position secure. Scouts awaiting orders. I sense danger. We will root it out. We will move ahead. There is an orc patrol. Enemy position. Wait for them to pass before we attempt to sneak by. Yes, my lord. Commencing infiltration. I sense danger. We will root it out. On patrol. Getting into position. Gathering intelligence. We will move ahead and mark any enemy positions. Commencing infiltration. Commencing infiltration. I sense danger. We will root it out. Commencing infiltration. Getting into position. There's our target. Getting into position. A large orc nob who looks like he's in charge of this bunch. If we kill him, we'll severely weaken the orc morale. At your command, we will move ahead and mark any enemy positions. Lining up our targets.
I command in the name of the Emperor. Is dead. We will take it from here.
Scouts awaiting orders.
He who stands with me shall be my brother. While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
Fear our wrath. Fear our wrath. Charge!
Scouts awaiting orders. Commencing infiltration. We will take them down from here.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
Attacking as ordered. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. Orders received.
Emperor,
None
protect
shall
us.
Stop us. None shall stop us. Charge! Space Marines!
Well done. The waterworks are under our control. Now we must start building a base before we hunt down the rest of the orcs.
Fear.
Let us capture these strategic points and establish a base of operations.
Here to serve. With all due haste, I await your instructions.
Mission accomplished. Faith is our shield. Mission accomplished. Onward to glory! Orders received.
Today the enemy shall know fear. Walk softly and carry a big gun.
Weapons at ready. It is time. Maintain attack formation. Cleanse, purge, kill. Initiating attack fire. 23.
For the Emperor.
Engaging the enemy.
Yes, most beneficent one. I will do as you ask. Yes, most beneficent one. Build routine 721 initiated.
The Emperor protects.
Fear our wrath. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. None shall stop us. Charge!
Yes, most beneficent one. Initializing build protocol.
Walk softly and carry a big gun.
Fear denies faith. At your command. We stand ready.
I shall not die on this
Awaiting
day.
orders.
Yes, most beneficent one. Initializing build protocol.
Yes, my lord. For the glory of the Imperium. Claim it in the name of the Emperor. Orcs, purge the beasts! Taking hits!
Yes, Lord. Initializing build protocol.
Awaiting orders.
Initializing build protocol.
Marine squad deployed. Ever vigilant. Objective achieved.
Walk softly and carry a big gun.
Stay vigilant, brothers. We are the Emperor's chosen.
Yes, Lord. Build routine 721 initiated. Here to serve. With our
Taking
haste.
hits. Heresy grows from idleness.
My faith is my shield.
Moving out. Orders received, brother. Engaging the enemy. Weapons at ready. The enemy is attacking. Maintain attack formation. Cleanse, purge, kill.
We will need more than heavy bolters to defeat these orcs. We must upgrade the
Maintain
stronghold
attack
to gain
formation.
access to the tools we will need to destroy this plague.
Cleanse, purge, kill.
I await your instructions. Initializing build protocol.
We stand ready.
Yes, most beneficent one. Initializing build protocol.
Direct us to the enemy.
Yes, most beneficent one? As you wish. Yes, Lord? Initializing build protocol.
Direct us to the enemy.
Yes, most beneficent one? Initializing build protocol.
At your command.
Yes, most beneficent one?
Taking damage. Marine squad deployed. Faith is our shield.
The all-telling eyes of the skull probes are with us. Find them on our listening posts. The monastery
We
is
stand
complete.
ready.
Sergeants will inspire
We
your
are
Space
the
Marine
Emperor's
squads to
chosen.
greater feats of heroism.
Onward
And rocket
to
launchers will
glory.
make short
We
work
are
of
the
orc
Emperor's
buildings.
chosen. Yes, my lord. We stand ready.
I await your instructions.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Orders received.
Today the enemy shall know fear.
Taking heavy fire.
Walk
Charge.
softly and carry a big gun. We must upgrade an existing listening post with the fortified position add-on. This upgrade will increase the requisition income and
What's
add
your
better
order?
defenses to the listening post. Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic. On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby. The Emperor protects. The listening post is now earning more requisition, has better armor against enemy attacks, and has a gun emplacement to strike back. What would you have me do?
Moving out. Claim it in the name of the Emperor.
Yes, Lord?
Area
With all
secured.
due haste.
The Emperor protects. We are taking damage.
Maintain attack formation. Direct us to the enemy.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Yes, Lord?
My power armor will protect.
Yes, most beneficent one.
He who stands with me shall be my brother. Praise the Emperor.
Understood. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. Attacking as ordered.
Beware the alien. The heretic.
Initiating attack protocol 23. Engaging the enemy. Objective acquired. Awaiting orders.
Today the enemy shall know fear.
Taking damage. Fear denies faith.
Yes, most beneficent one.
Defending objective.
With all due haste.
Walk softly and carry a big gun.
Weapons at ready. It is time. Orders received, brother. Stay vigilant, brothers.
Beware, brothers.
Commencing
That
attack.
mechanical monster is a killer can. It is devastating in close quarters fighting,
Cleanse,
and its armored
purge,
hide will shrug
kill.
off small arms fire. We must equip ourselves with missile launchers if we are to destroy the abomination. They dare
We
fire
will
upon
crush the
Space
enemies
Marines?
of the Imperium. Taking heavy fire. Just stop us. Orders received, brother.
He who stands with me shall be my brother. While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace. My faith is my shield.
We'll get through this, I know it.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Commencing attack.
Yes, my lord. We're here.
My faith is my shield. He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Faith is our shield.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
Cleanse, purge, kill. Taking heavy fire. Moving out. Fear denies faith. Claim it in the name of the Emperor.
Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic.
Yes, my lord.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. Maintain attack formation.
My faith is my shield. This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
At your command.
Reporting, sir. Yes, my lord. Reporting, sir. The Emperor protects.
Walk softly and carry a big gun.
The Emperor protects.
Today, the enemy shall know fear.
The Emperor protects.
Heavy fire!
Yes, Lord.
Position secure.
Initializing
What's your
build
order?
protocol.
Onward
is your
to
order?
glory! We are the Emperor's
We're here.
chosen.
Yes, my lord. The Emperor protects. Yes, my lord.
My faith is my shield.
Engaging the enemy. Charge! Engaging the enemy.
Praise the Emperor. The Emperor protects.
For the glory of the Imperium. Commencing attack.
I command in the name of the Emperor. This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
What's your order? Ever vigilant. Cleanse, purge, kill. The enemy is attacking. Weapons at ready. It is time. Onward to glory! Engaging the enemy. Attacking as ordered.
He who stands with me shall be my brother. My faith is my shield.
Maintain attack formation. Stay vigilant, brothers. Onward to glory! Moving out. Space Marines attack!
Here to serve. Yes, Lord. As you wish.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
Orders received. Maintain attack formation. Maintain attack formation. Initiating attack protocol 23.
I shall not die on this day.
Weapons at ready. It is time. Understood. Onward to glory!
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Charge! Maintain attack formation. None shall stop us.
Today the enemy shall know fear. Praise the Emperor. Praise the Emperor.
Understood.
Walk softly and carry a big gun. On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Fear our wrath. Maintain attack formation. Stay vigilant, brothers. Moving out.
Reporting, sir. Reporting, sir.
What would you have me do? My faith is my shield.
Maintain attack formation.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
Under fire.
My faith is my shield.
Charge! Orders received. Weapons at ready. It is time.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Weapons at ready. It is time.
What would you have me do?
Stay vigilant, brothers. Engaging the enemy. Initiating attack protocol 23. Taking hits! Attacking as ordered. Cleanse, purge, kill! Weapons at ready. It is time. We are the Emperor's chosen.
Praise the Emperor.
Stay vigilant, brothers. None shall stop us. Attacking as ordered. Initiating attack protocol 23. Weapons at ready. It is time. For the glory of the Imperium.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
For the glory of the Imperium. Stay vigilant, brothers. Charge! Taking hits! We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. None shall stop us.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium. Walk softly and carry a big gun.
We will crush the enemies of the Imperium.
My faith is my shield. While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
Faith is our shield.
Praise the Emperor. Walk softly and carry a big gun.
We are the Emperor's chosen. Awaiting orders. Moving out.
What would you have me do?
I await your instructions.
Mission
Build routine
accomplished.
721
Today the enemy
initiated.
shall know fear.
Fear our wrath. Maintain attack formation. The enemy is attacking! Fear our wrath. Cleanse, purge, kill! For the glory of the Imperium. Engaging the enemy. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. For the glory of the Imperium. Weapons at ready. It is time.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium. What would you have me do? I command in the name of the Emperor. Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic. For the Emperor.
Yes, my lord. Cleanse, purge, kill! Weapons at ready. It is time. At your command. Orders received, brother. Fear denies faith. Awaiting orders. Heresy grows from idleness. Attacking as ordered. Moving out.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Direct us to the enemy. Charge!
Praise the Emperor. Emperor, protect us.
We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. Attacking as ordered. Moving out. Attacking as ordered.
I command in the name of the Emperor.
Orders received. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. Commencing attack. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. Commencing attack. Orders received, brother. For the glory of the Imperium. Taking damage. Moving out. For the glory of the Imperium. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. Charge. Heresy grows from idleness. Ever vigilant. Onward to glory! Yes, my lord. Direct us to the enemy. Commencing attack. Maintain attack formation. Engaging the enemy. At your command. Orders received. Onward to glory! None shall stop us. Onward to glory! Objective acquired. Take and hold.
I must speak with the captain.
He is giving the Emperor his praise. Leave him this moment.
Yes, brother librarian. We completed our sweep of the area and can find no more orcs.
Indeed. Tell your squad to move ahead and clear the company's path.
Yes, brother librarian.
I will suffer no trespass.